Small tweaks on your pricing page can make or break expansion revenue. Every word, layout, and toggle influences whether users upgrade or quietly churn. The trick is simple. Guide upgrades through logic and trust, not guilt or pressure. Expansion happens when customers move up the ladder. Your pricing page isn't just a menu. It's a story about value. Each step should answer one question. Why is this plan worth more? If customers are confused, it creates friction. It's clarity that makes people spend more confidently. Run A/B tests on how you describe plans. For example, saying, best for scaling teams sounds nice but says nothing. On the other hand, phrasing it like unlimited users plus advanced analytics tells users exactly what they gain. Upgrades happen when people recognize themselves in the tier, not when they're left guessing. Don't make users hunt for the upgrade trigger. Show the single feature that defines the jump. If automation or integrations are the hook, spotlight them. People decide faster when they know exactly what they're paying extra for. Anchoring works because humans compare, they don't calculate. When you show a high tier first, the middle plan feels relatively more affordable and safe. But here's the key. Anchoring only works if your value ladder's honest. Otherwise, users smell manipulation fast. Let users toggle freely between monthly and annual. When they choose commitment, the conversion sticks. If you hide monthly pricing or push annual only, it looks like a trap. It's transparency that drives trust, and trust that drives renewals. Free trials that reveal value early are gold. Let users experience the premium features firsthand. Integrations, analytics, speed. Once those become part of their workflow, upgrades feel natural. That's expansion through habit, not persuasion. The best pricing pages feel effortless. They're clear, credible, and quietly persuasive. Test for trust, not tricks. Because expansion isn't about pushing harder, it's about designing for belief.